Hi, this is Annie from Sports Card Radio, and we're back with the Cards for a Cause Box Break 2. And we're going to do the Panini Contenders 2011. Thanks again, Panini, for allowing us to, what's the word I'm looking for? Sorry, it's been a long day. Donate, for us to raise money to donate to the National Kidney Foundation. It's been a busy Saturday here for Colin and I, so bear with me, please. Alright, so here we go.
Looks like it was over the way.
Oh, it's cool.
Look at that, just in case.
Alright, so there's 25 packs per box, huh?
24.
24, 5 cards per pack. Alright, so here we go.
Andy Dalton.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully.
Alright, so we have the Indianapolis Colts.
Cool. Those are nice cards.
We have the, well, they don't have the Cardinals on here. Well, we have the San Francisco 49ers.
Ticket. Nice.
We have the Cowboys, Dallas Cowboys. And we have the Vikings, Minnesota Vikings. There we go. So that's one pack down. And here we go for the next one. Okay, so we have Tampa Bay. We have the Raiders. Carson Palmer.
Yeah.
We have Miami.
Daniel Thomas rookie year card.
And let's see, we have the Lions.
No number.
We have the Steelers.
Cool.
Okay, here we go. Thanks again, everyone who participated. It's a lot of fun. Let's see, we have the Miami again. We have the Redskins. Oh, Cincinnati. Who's that?
Ray Malaluga.
Oh, okay. We have Drew Brees.
Cool.
So the Saints. Kansas City.
Cool.
Oh, some nice looking cards there.
Yeah, they're nice. Colorful this year.
Yeah. Alright, so we have the Raiders. Miami. Oh, this is a nice card. Dallas Cowboys.
Who is it?
Bill Bates.
Bates, okay, cool. Good deal. No number.
We have the Cougars. Is that
No.
they're not the
Jaguars.
Cougars, the Jaguars. I knew it was some sort of cat. And then we have the and then we have the Cardinals again. Sorry, guys.
Mike is here.
Oh yes, we're opening cards.
Yeah, we're opening cards. We got a weekend going on.
All right, there's a party going on here. Sorry, guys. So we have the Saints again. Hey,
Good to see you.
Roro. We have the Broncos. Oh, this is a neat card.
Cam Newton, nice.
Now we have the Jaguars, right?
No, that's the Panthers.
Panthers. Oh, Panthers. It even says it. Anyway, then we have.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Then we have the Seattle. Seattle. We have Seattle, right?
Seattle. Yeah, Seattle.
Seattle. And then we have the Cowboys. Sorry, guys. Going by what's on it, it's kind of tough for me.
Got Cam Newton in that one. Rookie roll call. That was good.
Okay. We have the Rams. We have New York Giants.
Ooh.
All right. We have the
Robinson.
rookie card for the Redskins.
No number.
And we have the Jets here.
Cool.
And then we have not the Panthers. We have Jaguars. Jacksonville Jaguars.
There's that autograph card again, just in case you guys didn't see it.
All right. Okay, so we have the Redskins again.
Cool.
We have the Browns. Ooh, Niners. 49ers right there.
Alden Smith.
San Diego Chargers. Miami. Sorry, guys, for all the noise. Our friend is going away to teach in Japan, so we're having a little last hurrah.
Hello.
We have the Falcons, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, we have the Rams.
Super Bowl.
We have the Giants here. Yay, Super
Super
Bowl.
Bowl, yeah, nice.
That's a nice one. We have Seattle again.
Yep.
Seahawks.
Eli.
Ooh, Eli.
The Super Bowl.
Giants.
Cool.
I love the Mannings. All right.
Oh, one's doesn't have a team right now.
Well, that's okay.
I have the same thing on mine.
All right, so we have Buffalo Bills,
Oh, yeah.
Did Leslie get it?
Redskins. Ooh, this is a pretty one. We have the
I have
Jets,
the regular ones. I always
Cool.
wash them with my clothes.
and we have Steelers,
And she was like, "Oh,
and the Panthers.
Yep. It's the Jaguars you've been
I
messing
just
with.
always lose
Damn it.
for a second.
Jaguars. Gosh,
No,
no.
that was the Panthers.
Okay, it was
You've been
Panthers.
messing up on the Jaguars.
I know. Ooh, we have a Bengals. Cedric Benson.
Not for long.
No.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's gone.
Kansas City.
Ooh.
Ooh, this is a pretty one.
Ooh, Marquise Colson, nice.
Yeah.
So we have the Saints right there.
Let me see.
all red. And
Yeah.
We have the Broncos.
then you just rub your shirt down.
Seattle Seahawks.
Yeah.
Signs of Greatness.
Nope.
Marquise Colson.
Okay. All right, and we have the Atlanta Falcons. We have Jaguars. Jacksonville Jaguars.
Ooh, who's that?
Kansas City.
Oh, Shane Ba I thought that might have been, what's his name? Nice.
And we have
Yeah, it's a
the
nice card.
Cincinnati, maybe not Cincinnati.
No, Chicago Bears.
Bears. Thank you. And we have the Browns.
Got a Bears fan in the house?
Shane Bannon. I thought it might be not Dwayne Bowe, but John Baldwin is who I was looking for there.
Hopefully I don't get another negative on the the YouTube video for not being able to pronounce the names right. Anyway, so we have the Rams. We have the Giants. Ooh. We got a nice one there, Buccaneers.
Cool.
We have the Cowboys. Tony Romo. And we have the Jets.
Okay. Romo. Everybody knows Romo is some questionable quarterback. At best.
We have, oh, what? Oh, sorry. We have the, I know these,
Eagles.
the Eagles, yes, I saw the wings. We have the
Ravens.
Ravens, Baltimore Ravens.
Yep.
We have the Jets again.
Who the hell's that? Curtis Martin? Oh, okay.
We have the Jets
Cool.
again there. We have the Lions.
Cool.
Gosh, we have a lot more packs, guys. Sorry. All right. So here we go. All right, we have the Eagles. We have the Baltimore Ravens.
Cool.
Ooh, that's pretty. Baltimore Ravens again. We have two of them on there. Atlanta Falcons. Tennessee Titans.
Cool.
Quite a few more packs left. Hopefully, we got some good
There's one
guys.
more autograph. Should have one more autograph in here.
Ooh.
Sarah, she was so nice.
Vikings.
Yeah, she's really sweet. And I don't think she has like a.
Oh, Peyton Manning. We got another Manning. Colts.
Cool.
Yeah, that'd be okay.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Leonard Hankerson. Man.
Redskins.
got two autographs.
Dang.
Doesn't
Sweet.
talk that much.
Super nice.
You know, like,
Oh, and we have the 49ers.
The ones he's for.
Patriots.
Oh, no.
she was,
I she was one before when I worked with
no, she's going to go over here.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Green Bay.
Track. Yeah, somebody.
We got the Indianapolis Colts. Or my dad still calls them Baltimore Colts.
He's looking.
Cardinals.
This is the first time like
Texas.
within our
I know, within the group anymore.
within the group.
And Cowboys.
For what, 6 years?
Cool.
Yeah, you can rent the house now.
1, 2, 3.
All right.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Baltimore Ravens.
It's got a yard.
Green Bay. Aaron Rodgers. Look at that.
That's ironic. I was just talking about that.
And we have the Bills.
Yeah. I should really think of gardening, but we're not gardening.
We got the Cardinals.
Well, we can out there, yeah.
Yeah,
But
Chargers.
We almost only have one. We have
Quite a few more packs here.
You only have one.
What are we wanting to hit? Dalton? Andy Dalton?
It's 2
Oh, you wanted the autograph.
20 pages.
I think we're. We didn't do great on this one, but not bad.
That's okay. Thanks, Panini.
Oh, for sure.
Buccaneers.
You're breaking the rule.
I mean, whoever had
Raiders?
the Redskins did good. I don't know who had the Redskins.
We got the Raiders there. Ooh.
Oh, yeah, and the Chiefs. It was double for the Chiefs.
Kansas City. Look at there.
Man.
Yeah, I guess if you ever
Didn't
I knew
someone
I
steal
should
that?
have. Yeah, I knew I should have had the Chiefs. But it's okay. I wanted John Baldwin, so.
All right, we got Tom Brady here
Cool.
from Patriots, and then the Lions.
So that's our fifth. That's our fifth autograph right there, folks.
Where's Linsanity?
Jackie Battle. Yeah, we'll need some basketball.
Oh, we can do basketball. We haven't done basketball in any of the charity box breaks.
They just came out with the first basketball this year. So.
Oh yeah. All right, Baltimore Ravens. Green Bay. Those are new uniforms. Aren't they? Yes, thank you. Redskins.
Cool.
And the Lions. Matthew Stanford.
And the 49ers.
And Niners. Alex Smith.
Okay.
All right,
Couple more. Let's go.
fifth one. Or fifth to last.
We take this,
We got Texas. Ooh,
Tampa.
Tampa Bay.
Is that you?
Super Bowl.
Super Bowl. Is it Steelers?
Yep.
Right now, she'll text me when she's done.
Yeah.
Chargers. Patriots. All right, 4 left. Here we go. And Kansas City. Buffalo Bills. Ooh. This one's a Raiders.
Cool.
Chicago Bears.
Bears.
And Steelers.
Ben.
I was running on 2.
3 packs left.
Okay, here we go.
My allergies are so bad yesterday, like I couldn't fall asleep.
Oh, we got 4 autographs here.
No, I'm not actually.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, that's-
5. And the Colston.
Oh, 5. Just kidding, 5.
For a baptism class.
All right, we have the Titans.
My nephew's godparent.
And we got the Saints. I know, that'd be great.
Hey, Tambourine. All right.
Oh, Patriots right there.
Dang, it's a big box. Wow, I said we weren't doing good. We hit it big.
We have the Patriots.
Not that Tambourin's super good, but we hit
Chicago
hell
Bears.
in this.
Like an hour.
We'll go after all the. We'll show you all the autographs we hit. On the side of the box it says 4. We got a lot more than that.
Yeah.
It says 4 autographs per box on the side there.
Wow.
We got a few more than that
We got 6 there.
over here, so that's awesome.
Kansas City. Kansas City, wow.
Yeah, Kansas City was good in this.
Someone beat you in that bid, didn't they?
Yep.
Buffalo Bills. Ooh, look, AJ Green.
Hey, that's good. Cool. All right. Nice.
Is that one out?
Yeah, that's cool. You put it over there.
The Browns
Do they?
and the Panthers.
All right, last pack.
Last pack, here we go.
Right here they have one.
I looked over and saw that. That's true.
Here we go, last pack. Sorry about all the additional noise going around. Ooh, Bengals. I'm not apologizing to you, Colin.
And I had it. I was just looking for a shirt that wasn't wrinkled.
Vikings.
All matching too. You got the shoes.
We got the Bears.
Yeah. What is this?
Yeah.
And
Oh, it's at 99 on the back.
ooh. And we got the Titans, Tennessee Titans, and San Francisco.
Cool.
All right, there we go, guys.
Look.
One more box.
We got 1, 2, not an autograph, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got quite a few autographs here in a box where you're only supposed to get 4. That one's like on card. That one's sticker. That's on card. That's sticker. Colson's a sticker. We got an AJ Green. We got a Cam Newton and a Forte. And there's the rest of the cards. Thanks everybody. We'll be back to do the Contenders baseball probably by tomorrow. See you guys.
Bye, guys.